Proxies are essential for fast and efficient web scraping, as they help distribute requests across multiple IP addresses, preventing blocks or bans from target websites. IP Royal offers affordable and diverse proxy solutions, including static residential, rotating residential, and data center proxies. Their proxies are globally distributed across 150+ locations, ensuring access.
So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, in this video, I will show you that how you can post the auto comment onto your LinkedIn post. I have my LinkedIn profile, and I want to post comments onto my LinkedIn profile automatically. So, as I told you, this is the last video onto my YouTube channel, and peoples are showing a very good response. So this is the video. You can see this. I have developed the tools, Python automation tool for content creation, and now you can see there are 92 viewers, and the people are liking this video very well. Bismillah. That is the video. And now I'm gonna extend this journey, this automation journey. I build the bot that is used to post comments on multiple times onto various LinkedIn profiles. And here are the LinkedIn profiles which I want to target, subgroups, subprofiles. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to saying to you. So first I close all the tabs in the browser, and now I want to start I want to start this bot. This is the automation tools, same thing, nothing was changed. Okay, so I'll simply press the play button. The bot will start after 5 seconds and simply redirect to a person profile which I want to target. And here is it. Now you can see it posts comment. Wait for the some time, wait for some seconds, because well, now it moved to second profile. And shift to third one. So now the bot was simply complete his job, and here are the log files. These are the log files, and in this log file you can see it posts 3 comments, and then it stored the comment into logs data. Maybe this was not well arranged, but I will well arrange for my clients. No problem, don't worry about that. So through this you can post a huge amount of comments. I only post 3 comments. I managed to post only 3 comments because I never want the system detection algorithm to track that I am running a bot on LinkedIn. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Through this you can do this will basically boost your organic growth onto your LinkedIn profile. So I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching.